Hello students, differentiation is a very important topic for class 12. So in this lecture session we shall solve a few problems having exponential and logarithmic functions. So we know that differential of e power x is e power x and differential of log x is 1 by x. So first problem, if y equals log of x cube, find dy by dx. So instead of log x we have log of x cube. So we'll consider this as, let's say, v. Okay, so we have y equals log v, and we know that dy by dv equals 1 by v, right? So now we have to differentiate v. What is v? So v is log x cube. So instead of log x, I have log x cube. So let me call this as u. So I have to differentiate v with respect to u. So dv by du equals 1 by u. So it's very simple. Instead of x, I have u. So dv by du is 1 by u. And now I have to differentiate u. So u is log of x cube. So can I do it directly? So du by dx is 1 by, so instead of x I have x cube, so it is 1 by x cube into differential of this term, which is 3x square. So in short, what is dy by dx? I have to multiply all of them. Dy by dv into dv by du into du by dx. So I've actually skipped one step wherein you can actually substitute x cube as another variable. So I've directly done the differentiation. So what is dy by dv? It is 1 by v. And what is v? It is 1 by log of log x cube. So this is v into, what is dv by du? 1 by u. So u is 1 by log x cube into du by dx. So here x and x will get cancelled. So you have 3 by x. Now can I simplify it further? Yes. So we know that log m power n equals n log m. So here this can be written as 3 divided by log of log x cube into log x cube is 3 log x into, here I have x. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So the final answer is 1 by x into log x into log of log x cube. So this is the final answer. So the next problem, y equals e power ax cos bx plus c. So there are two terms. Let e power x be u and this term be v. So what is differential of u into v? U into differential of v plus v into differential of u. So I can directly write the answer. So dy by dx equals first function into differential of second function. Differential of cos is minus sine. So I write it as minus sine bx plus c into differential of the term. So instead of x I have bx plus c. So differential of bx plus c is b. Differential of c is 0. Plus second term into differential of first term e power ax into differential of ax, which is a. So what is common? E power ax is common. I'll write the positive term first. So I have a cos bx plus c minus b sine bx plus c. So the next problem, we have y equals e power sine x sine e power x. So let this be the first function u and this be v. So what is dy by dx? It is the first function into differential of second function. Differential of sine is cos. So instead of x, I have e power x. So multiplied by differential of e power x, which is e power x itself, plus second function into differential of first function. Differential of e power x is e power x itself, but instead of x I have sin x. So I have to multiply it with differential of sin x, which is cos x. So what are the terms which are common? So we have e power sin x, which is common. So we'll take it outside. So e power sin x. So here we have e power x cos e power x plus sin e power x into cos x. So we have y equals log root of. So log of root of something is power half. So it can be written as half log. And here I have log m by n. So log m by n is log m minus log n. So I'll apply both these formulas here. So we get y equals, this root becomes half log 1 plus sine squared x, right, minus half log 1 minus sine x. So we can take half common. So what is dy by dx? So half is taken common. So I have log of 1 plus sine square x. Log of x is 1 by x. So I have 1 by 1 plus sine squared x into differential of this term. Differential of 1 is 0. Differential of sine square is 2 sine x into differential of sine x, which is cos x, minus half is already taken common outside. Log of the term is 1 by 1 minus sine x into differential of this term. Differential of sine x is cos x, but with a minus sign here. So we have half. I can write 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x by 1 plus sine squared x, minus into minus is plus, cos x by 1 minus sine x. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and thanks for watching.